We are at Delta Company hangar on Fort Bragg, Simmons Army Airfield. Our mission is a global response force. So we are postured and ready to deploy it within 96 hours anywhere in the world.
We're now in the 122nd ASB supply support activity, and our day-to-day activities consist of receiving Class 2, 4, 7, and 9 air parts.
I'm a 92 Alpha, which is a logistician. Basically, we move all the parts and pieces for the aircraft. Everything from blades to the internal pieces of the engine.
I'm an avionics, weapons, and electronics repairer. Pretty much I take care of all the aircraft parts, electrical systems, and weapon systems.
With the 182 82nd Aviation Brigade, and our mission is to issue out fuel and provide fuel for aircraft. We got to keep the aircraft going. If we're not here, then they're not going to be able to fly.
So we have a group of some dynamic soldiers. We have avionics guys, we have armament personnel, and we have our crew chiefs along with our pilots. The crew chiefs are the ones who fix and repair components on the aircraft. The logistics comes into play at that point. We order Class 9 air through our SSA, have it sent up to our Plant 2000, which goes to National. They identify the parts, tag them, bag them, and send it back to us so we could install it on the aircraft to have our aircrafts fully mission capable.
Well, what makes it important is because without us, the aircraft can't fly. It doesn't have blades to fly because we give them the blades. It doesn't have the engine to fly because we give it that. Basically, without us, the aircraft's not accomplishing its mission.
We've mainly been getting OH-58s, which is the Kiowas, UH-60s, the Blackhawks, the CH-47s, the Chinooks. We're issuing out a F-24. It used to be a JP-8, but they just recently changed it. We come in the morning and recirculate our fuel, meaning that it goes through the filter separator to separate the fuel from the water. But we average probably around 1,500 gallons a day.
It's important for us to get our parts immediately so we can meet the missions and support the other units that have field exercises and support the daily flights.
Our ordering process fluctuates. For example, I have 349 lines of stock material, and on a daily basis we could order anywhere from $500 to $2 million worth of parts depending on the maintenance criteria.
DLA, they support us with about 30 to 40% of our material that we receive on a day-to-day basis. The items I get and the service I get is really excellent with DLA.
When they get here on time, we are allowed to fly more, and that attributes to us being more proficient in the combat zone. And we do that with parts and pieces.
We define success by having our aircraft FMC so we could report to hire, which is AMCOM, that all our aircraft are ready to deploy at any given time, any given hour, any given day.